Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kids Learning Planet. Today we will learn mode of transport. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video and please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Mainly there are three mode of transport: water transport, land transport and air transport. So water transport, it's a means of transportation that moves on water, such as boat, ship, submarine, yacht, air transport. It's a means of transportation that moves in the air, such as aeroplane, hot air balloon, helicopter, rocket, air glider, and parachute. Land transport. It's a means of transportation that moves on land, such as bus, van, motorcycle, fire truck, ambulance, scooter, tractor, truck, car, bicycle, and train. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel.